So I recently bought a Realforce 104U from EliteKeyboards.com, and I hadn't seen an unboxing video for it, so I just got this today and gonna unbox it. Looks like it's pretty well packed. Some warranty information. And the box. It's the 104U, which is the white beige color. And pretty basic, looks like. Not much in here. And it does not look like it came with any extra keys, which I'm a bit disappointed about. It didn't say in the description online that it came with anything, but I was hoping that it would. Anyway, so if you are thinking about ordering, it does not come with anything extra, just the basic keyboard.